Hello, Bronzo. Do you want to try some watermelon? Do you want to try some watermelon, just like your cool mate? First time trying watermelon, yeah? Let's go and try it. Ready to try it, Bruno? Yeah. Take a little bite. You gotta take a bite. Take a bite. Is that nice? Is that nice? Yeah. Is that nice? Is that nice? Is that nice? Oh, yummy. Good boy. Gosh, I'm dribbling out. No, you don't want to eat the green bit. Oh, there's a good boy. Just a couple more bites. There you are. A little bit more. No, you can't eat the green bit. You know. Near enough gone. It's all gone. It's all gone. You can't eat that green bit. He's saying there's more, there's more. There's a bit more. Go on. Oh! Okay, that's all gone. Yeah, the bits on the floor. BOXER Bruno!